How to redeem secret codes in Clash Royale. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Clash Royale and after that click on the three lines at the top right hand side corner and make sure that you have connected your account with Supercell ID. If you haven't, then just simply click on this option of Supercell ID, create your ID or connect with existing Supercell ID. After that, open up the browser, any browser of your choice in your device, and search for Supercell store. After that, log into your Supercell ID. After that, open up the Clash Royale over here and wait for it to load. Now after you log in, you would be able to see all the details related to your ID, and at the bottom of the screen you would be able to find the codes option where you can type the code and redeem different stuff that you want to redeem. By the way, you can utilize the code fire 3 times in order to get the emote, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.